Here's one you won't see every day. 1957 Plymouth Belvedere Convertible. Looking good in red, white vinyl top. Underneath the hood, 318. It was considered a wide block. That is paired with a torque flight automatic transmission. Also equipped with power steering, power brakes. This particular car originated out of Colorado. It's been in the same family for generations. Was in the process of being restored and is now up for sale here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see that engine bay, check out the underside of it, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Like I said, it's in the process of being restored. There is a little TLC that it does still need. I'm going to hit some things in the car as far as take a look at this chrome up front. Bright work, nice shape. Paint shows its age a little bit, but still presentable. Some of the things that we found that the next owners want to address is it's going to take a little suspension TLC, also some steering components. Window was in-op. I know they had noted the master cylinder was leaking. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. Power top is actually a manual top now. It goes up and down fine. Top is in nice shape. I'm going to put that up here at the end of the video and show you the condition of that top too. And you can also see it in the still pictures. Come around to the back, some bright work. Chrome nice in the rear of this car. Very distinctive looking car from back in the late 50s. Push button transmission. Is riding on wire wheels, wide whites, and as you can see, the car's straight up and down it. A lot of the body work obviously has been done. It's just more some mechanical stuff that needs to be done. We'll work on the dash, that type of thing. We'll start it up here, and we've had it running, driving in our parking lot, frontage road out here. We've taken it out. Remember, still pictures you can see at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. We'll fire it up so you can hear it run too. Again, 318 underneath the hood. You can see it needs window switches if you look over there on that side in each of the door panels. But vinyl is in nice shape. And again, vinyl top, nice shape. There's a clear title for the car. Let's go ahead and fire it up here in a second. Like I mentioned earlier, also push button transmission right there. So we got it neutral. Let's fire it up. Starts very easily, runs nice. Here's the gas gauge, works. Slip around to the back of this here a second. There are also extra parts, some components, things in the trunk, and those will be also in the still pictures to be able to check those out. Sounds good. Car runs nice. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front here, pause this video a second, and pop the hood so we can check that out, and we'll take a look at the top too. Hood popped. Here's the engine bay. Again, power steering, power brakes. Look how smooth that runs. And again, 318 paired up with an automatic transmission. Nice sounding engine. Let's take a look at the top. Flip that up here too. As you can see, it's in decent shape. A little discolored in areas, but not bad at all. Get it out in the sun, let it warm up and tighten it up some. Rear window is complete in it. Around to this side. And again, you can check out the top in the still picture. You want to take your time and look through it. As well as the rest of the car, undersides, interior, trunk, those extra parts I was talking about. Once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video. In the description is going to take you right there. 1957 Plymouth Belvedere Convertible. One you don't see every day. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.